Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for coming by. This is very thick hair, as you can see, and this is partly because she is a new mother. She gave birth to a beautiful baby boy about a month ago, and here I was preparing her for a surprise baby shower, which I had disguised as a photo shoot. A group of ladies from church and I had organized a baby shower just to bless her and to let her know that she is not alone. I did not think of recording shareable content at first, so please forgive the lack of detail. But just as a reminder, or in case this is the first video you're watching of the needle cornrows or the needle flat twists, I parted the section, put the other end of the yarn or thread in between the section to hide it well, and then I started the sewing using the needle. This is the simpler of the two, and it is way faster too. I insert the needle under the hair, holding it down, and then retrieve the needle from the other side. Go back to where I started from and insert the needle under the hair again and take it out from the other side. As I progressively do so, the thread holds the hair down, and in the end, it looks like a flat twist, especially on natural hair because the hair puffs up a little in between the thread. I stretch the hair while holding it down as I go along the section. When the hairstyle is removed, the hair is very stretched as well, which is a bonus. No heavy detangling required. The wool or the yarn can be very drying to the hair though, and using a hydrating or moisturizing spray while you have the hairstyle on is a must. I always recommend the Natural Organics Daily Spray for that. It is water-based and also has tea tree and peppermint oil to take care of the scalp as well. I said earlier that her hair is thick, partly because she gave birth recently. Did you know, when pregnant, women may experience thicker, longer, and shinier hair than usual? This is not because they change their routine or products. It is mainly because of hormonal changes. There's an increase in estrogen in the body, a hormone that is responsible for the development and regulation of the female reproductive system. This hormone also makes hair to remain in the growth phase for longer, which means more hairs on the head are in the growth phase and there is less shedding, or there is less shedded hair, resulting in more volume and longer length. It may also result in more hair growing in other parts of the body, like the face, the legs, the armpits, that kind of thing. Nails, too, get benefit from more estrogen in the body. For a lot of women, the estrogen levels should go back to normal after giving birth. In fact, for a lot of women, most hairs go into the resting phase soon after giving birth, only to start shedding dramatically 5 to 6 months after giving birth. This is what postpartum shedding is. From this too, you should recover, so not to worry at all. Okay, back to this video. Actually, there's not much to say about this video. It's so self-explanatory. After washing her hair, I blow dried the hair a little bit to stretch it and then did the thinner cornrows in between the bigger sections. I already posted a short video on this, and Stella Okafor, I hope I am pronouncing that right, asked what I was rubbing on her hair. It is a combination of Jabuston Invisiwax, which is a dreadlocks locking gel, and a styling gel, Black Ducks actually from Zimbabwe. Sometimes I use that combination, especially for low porosity hair, just to make the sections as neat as possible. I did a mini photo shoot for my model with her 2 kids, nothing fancy, just to hold as a cover-up. Oh my goodness, this word fancy, like my son normally says, it's a bit fancy. Like a British accent. Anyway, let's go ahead with this video. So yes, I did a mini photo shoot for my model with her 2 kids, nothing fancy, just to hold up as a cover-up. We then headed off to church where the other ladies were waiting, told her I needed to pick up something, and boom, surprise! The day ended on a high, and she was in tears actually. She couldn't believe it. It was so beautiful. I loved it. Thank you so much for watching. If you're subscribed, thank you so much. If you're not to worry and don't rush into it. Actually, I would prefer you watch another video or two and only subscribe because you really like my content and would want to see more of it. That way, I know I have a real community of people who are here rooting for me all the time, and I beg to watch more and more content as I make it available on this channel. Otherwise, thank you so much for being here today. And before you go, what video do you want me to do next? Let me know in the comments. I will see you soon. God bless you. Bye.